is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be installing a little add-on that I picked up for the Silverado, and that is this K&N Blackhawk cold air intake, part number 71-3070. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, be a pal and click that subscribe button, click the thumbs up button. And if you're new to my channel, check out all the other videos, and let's get to it. Got an 8mm head screw here. Take some sort of pry tool, pry that off. Another screw here, and then unplug your MAF sensor. One thing I will mention is you have to swap over your old mass airflow sensor onto the new intake tube. To remove it, you just use a T15 Torx driver or socket. And then the new one you install with the supplied hardware, and they're just Allen head screws. So to put the new air box in, you use this supplied hole for the one side, and then you got to mark here and drill a 5/8 hole for the other side. Should look a little like this when you're done. And that's going to get bolted to the inner fender well. So we'll go ahead and tighten up all these bolts. Alright, time for a little test drive. See if I notice any change or not. Also, what should be noted is I have an aftermarket exhaust system on this truck. And if you'd like to see any information about it, check out my other videos on my channel.